Welcome back. What is good? Let me take these off so I can hear myself a little bit. I'm recording. You guys are hearing me off my MacBook, but I have damn, I'm chopped. But I have these AirPods in, so I'm gonna listen to music. But if I listen to music on my laptop, it gets copyrighted, and I don't really want to. I just don't want to have that. Just so I don't know what happens if you get copyrighted, but I just don't want that to happen. So today we're going to just be doing a backtest session of this week's price action. Did I save that? Yeah. Alright. Backtest session of this week's price action. Just because like I feel like I don't really do that as much anymore. And I probably should. But let me just go to the 4 hour. As you guys can see, I'm trying to block like half my screen so I don't see what's gonna go on. Boom. Just look at the bottom of the screen, replay mode. Look for Monday. We're on 4 hours, so it's more so over here. Monday. It's this Monday, right? Yeah. Alright. Monday at 7. There we go. There we go. Alright. So we're gonna just back test just this week's price action, see how we do. Really because a little bit about what happened this week with trading or with my trading. So basically, I think I passed an eval. I want to say like 2 weeks ago. I was on a funded last week. Starting off the week with a funded, I was already probably like down like $400 in the account maybe. Monday came along, lost some more money. Tuesday, I wanna say. I blew my eval. Right? I blew my eval. Then, or was that Wednesday? That might have been Wednesday. I'm forgetting. Blew the eval. Revenge traded like really fucking bad. Blew my eval. And then same day, I bought an eval. I blew that one. Boom, bought another one. Got halfway to passing on that one. Boom, came Asia session. I traded the Asia session and then passed my account in a day. So boom, pass an evaluation in one day. Here, let me open that up so you guys can see. Breach, boom, lucid funded, boom, I'm on this one right now. I hope that shit's gonna tell you how much trades I've taken. No? Thank God, bro. Holy fuck. But I've taken a good amount of trades. Y'all about to give me some more shit or what? No? Fuck yeah. Yeah, 2 funded accounts. I'm on one funded right now. Anyways, this was just like a terrible week for trading for me. I took, oh my God, the amount of like revenge trading that I did was unhealthy to the max. I didn't even fucking show you guys my dumbass. Look, boom, lucid flex, 50k. There we go. But alright, let's just get this started. Monday, April 24th. Started on there. Let's play some music. Oh, today I was learning how to play guitar. I was learning how to play this song, Te Metiste by Ariel Camacho. First day playing guitar. I learned a couple keys. I learned Sol, Do, and Re Siete, some shit like that. Now I'm just trying to go from here to here to here, yeah, some shit like this, and then to here, and then to over here, and then back to over here. Yeah, whole bunch of shit. But it's just back test, bro. Let's just make sure I'm streaming first and foremost. Go to YouTube real quick. Yeah, alright. We're live. Let's just get to it, bro. I feel like this is definitely a daily gap. I don't want to press on daily because if I press on it, it's going to tell me what we're going to do for the next, what the rest of the day is going to look like. So I'm not going to press on that. My fucking fingers hurt from the guitar. Okay, so let me pause this. So just looking at this, where can I go to? Where? Oh shit. Can I just go back one? I think I do. Okay, fuck. All right, all right. But just looking at this, look, say we're coming into this day. It's 5, right? What do we and what do we notice just by looking at this? Say we wake up and we're watching, we're doing our pre-market analysis, which is what I do every morning. Coming into the day, I'm looking at this. I'm like, okay, what's happening right now? So we are in all-time highs, right? We are obviously in all-time highs. We are, no, but right now we are disrespecting bearish while respecting bullish. You see right here, we inverse this gap. We come into this one, we go back down. Now we're trading as high to this gap, right? I also see that I have lows down here. I have this low right here, and then I mean, that's really the main one that I really want to focus on. Actually, I also have this one right here, so low right here as well. I'm not really gonna pay attention much to that one because it's not inside of a gap. But you do have this row. You do have this 4 hours right. That's right by it. So if it taps into it, even better. But this gap is also within a 1 hour, so we're not gonna mark that out just because we already know it's within that. But we do have this 1 hour below it as well. And then let's go down to the 15. We have roughly what 2 more candles to print out, so we can see what these do. So boom, sweeps liquidity, taps into this 15-minute gap right here as well, but nothing of significance for me yet, just because market hasn't opened. Let's look at ES, see what is ES doing. Okay, so we take out that low on Nasdaq. We have it on ES. We also have an SMT at the high. Actually, we have relatively equal highs on Nasdaq. That's even better. It's goaded. So we have highs telling us we can definitely want to go higher for the day. And then obviously we're in all-time highs. So why would we even short? Like right? Like why would we do that? This shit better not be like. Let me open this and let me talk and let me see how I sound. Okay, I sound pretty solid. Alright. Alright, that sounds solid. But yeah, so my scenarios for the day is, let's say, so market opens up in one more candle. So these are my scenarios. If we want to go, if we were to short, which I doubt we will, I would want price to come up, sweep this high inside this 1 hour, inside this 15-minute gap, and then displace lower, right? That's one move that we can catch. It's not something I really want to catch just because I feel like we just want to go higher today, right? We don't want to short all-time highs. The better alternative is that we come down into this, we take out this low right here, and then we create, and then we just like we come in, tap into this low, tap into the hourly gap that we're in. Obviously, tap into this 4-hour gap. If we could tap into this 15-minute, amazing. This 15-minute, even better. This 15-minute, this 1 hour, even better. Boom, causing us to go higher, take out all the highs. Boom. It's ideal scenarios right now. Okay. Market opens up in 1 minute. So let's see what we're gonna have. I like having this open just so I can see what's going on, right? We have some good accumulation going on right now. See market open up, manipulate. Okay, boom. Right off market open, what do we do? What do we do? We instantly sweep, we instantly take out London lows and Asia's low. But now we want to go for previous day low. I'm guessing this is previous day's low or Sunday's low or whatever. Yeah, this is where we're trading into Monday. I want to say that's Sunday's low. Yeah, that's Sunday's low. So if we could take out Sunday's low and then run to all-time highs, amazing. But we'll see what we get. 1 minute gap right there. Hopefully we don't inverse that. Hopefully we just go down, take out this low. Okay. Shorts right here definitely look good. I wouldn't take this though, just because I'm not looking for shorts. But I feel like we are going to take out that low right there for sure. Okay, boom. Took out the low. Let's see what we get coming out of this. Boom, we take out the low again. Okay. We're getting close to this. I'm gonna get it to 1 hour. If we tap it, even better. But if we don't, it's okay. I like that. See the 2 minute. I need 2 minute gaps now. 3 minute gaps now. All right. I fuck with this. I'm definitely gonna go long on this, but I just want to see what ES is doing, just so we can just be like, okay, this is what happened. This is Sunday's low. Where's Sunday's low? All the way over here. Okay, so we have an SMT with Sunday's low from that low to that low. ES took it. Nasdaq took it out. ES didn't take it out. Boom, telling us we want to go higher. We tap into all of these gaps that we had marked out before. We're obviously very bullish, as you can see right here. We have 630's wick right here, great draw on liquidity above us, and then we just have all-time highs resting above us as well, with a lot of with a lot of this liquidity. Like, look at all this, bro. Look at this high, look at this swing high, look at this swing high. Look at all of these relatively equal highs from here, from this high to this high right here. Just a lot of things telling us we want to go higher, right? So this is something that I would definitely be taking. Boom, long out of here, stop loss at this low right here, and then take profit. We're gonna just go for whatever this high is. What is that, at 1 to 5? Perfect. This is definitely a 1 to 2 trade, but actually we'll hold the 1 to 2. We'll see if we can catch the bottom of this and target all-time highs. But I'm definitely gonna go break even at these relatively equal highs right here, because I want to guess that's like around where a 101 would be. Would it? Maybe even less. Yeah, less. We'll go break even, just because for just like trying to get like the most amount of money on it as possible. We'll target that high right there. It's a random as high. It's nothing really of significance. Really, you're supposed to do with this wick right here, but we'll just try this. Actually, no, we're gonna start to our rules. We would normally go for the wick anyways, so we're gonna try the wick. Boom, break even right there. We're gonna go long. We're gonna go around. What are these? These are minis, so we'll just stick it to 1 minute. Stop loss at this low. We're risking around $1,600 to make around 2,400 bucks. Let's see what happens. Play some music. Some house music sounds good right now, but I'm not on that. For a little, because when maybe each have a love connection is gonna be a bad connection. If there no money involved. Set that hoes up. I toss a bitch a whole pee and tell her roll up. I slide through the ghetto with my doors up. Fuck around and be a car show when we show up. Holy shit, bro. Break even right there. Yeah, he's just gonna take this out for sure. I slide through the ghetto with my doors up. No way. Oh, I thought I was about to get stopped at break even. Imagine, bro, you're in this trade all day just to get stopped out fucking break even. There you go, though. Full TP. How long did this trade take? From fucking 6, like, say like 6:30 or something, all the way, actually no, 6:45, all the way up to 15, which is basically like what, 5 p.m. right? 5 p.m. 13, 14, 15, 3? Am I tripping? 13, 14, 15, 3 p.m. 3 p.m. and you hit full TP after that many hours. Shit. That Yeah. Anyways, full TP Monday. Let's go to Tuesday. See what Tuesday looks like. 6:30 Tuesday. I didn't even see if we had news. No news Monday. Okay, it's Tuesday. CB consumer confidence, whatever the fuck that is. I don't give a fuck about that. Yeah, the photo news, anyways. Boom. See what Price wants to do for the next couple hours. That's the one. That's the last one I can go. Yeah, I guess so. So, what are we doing on this 4 hour? Um, let's see. We have an SMT at the highs. I wonder if that's going to be anything of significance. We have a SMT from Sunday's high, from yesterday's high. Yes, took it out. Nasdaq didn't. But I mean, we're still in all-time highs. Do I really want to short an all-time highs? I mean, we will see depending on what the market wants to give us. But that SMT is from here to here. A lot of my stuff, it's like different colors, and it's really just because like fuck, I haven't switched it in forever. Or these are all old. Like these are all like old boxes and shit. I'm gonna get a 4 hour below us. We got this 4 hour above us right here. I think this is gonna create a 4 hour. Should create a 4 hour. 4 hour for value gap above us. Let's go to the 1 hour. See what we have up down here. We get to get price like what? 1, 2, 3 more times. 1, 2. Damn. What the fuck? Fucking dumb. Okay. So we're working out of this 4 hour. Man, I wish I had fucking FX replay so I could see what we're doing out of this 4 hour. Because the next 4 hour opens up, or this 4 hour closes when the 7 hour 01 opens up. So I would love to see what the 4 hour is doing, or what the 4 hour does when it's about to close. Like if we're just working through it, if we inverse that 4 hour, you know. But okay, so what do I have here? I have just this 1 hour gap right here that we're about to form, and then what do we have over here? We have just this. What is this right here? Is this a new day opening gap? I don't think so. I'm tripping. But we have this for value gap that we traded into. Right. What low is this? To Friday to SMT with that low. Maybe we can bounce up higher off of that from here to here. We're also really close to this low, so it's like if you're gonna take out that, why would you want to take out that? Let's go into 15, see what we have right here. Okay, so scenarios. What do we have right here? We have this 15-minute gap right here, right? 15-minute right here. There's also a low right there. We have this 15-minute right here. I like this. I like how close we are with either both of these, so we can bounce out of either of these. So I'm never like married to a bias. Like, you know, you'd like to, if you're like, obviously, like we look bearish as fuck just because of that big ass move down. But I also like how we have this low SMT instead of a gap, higher time frame gap. But I've just been learning from all-time highs. Just from the past weeks that we've been in it. You know, you don't really want to short as much as you're longing, right? So I always want to long more than I want to short because that's what the market's trying to just been showing us lately. But you know, what I would love for us to happen based off of looking at this, if we can come. I'm trying to see if there's any gaps. Yeah, I mean, we could take out Asia's low. That would be cool too as well, and just tap in and then maybe go higher. Cause like we do have a new week opening gap right here. I wasn't tripping. There's a new week opening gap right there, and then we could want to go and take that out. So that might be something of significance. We'll see, cause we are pretty close to that. Let me just mark this out. Don't have anything for that. I'm just putting a week opening gap. Fuck it. But so things that I can see that I would like for price to maybe do. If let's say we do want to go short, I would want price to come up into this 15-minute gap and then go down and take out the lows like that, right? What's something else we can see is price opens up, comes down, comes to take out this 15-minute gap, respects it, goes back up to the highs, right? And then yeah, so we'll just see what price wants to do. Boom, we instantly displace lower. Okay, we get a 1-minute inversion out of there. Now, am I taking this? What did we? Oh, yeah, we tapped into that 15-minute. Yes, I'm taking this. This was one of my scenarios. Okay, we're gonna go long right here. Stop loss at this wick, 69 points. We're gonna be going for roughly just like a 1-to-1, just because of this 15-minute gap right here. Or yeah, we'll just go for a 1-1. Fuck it. And we'll go break even at the this wick right here. Just go back in one con. 1300 to make 1400. Break even. Wick. Oh, full TP. Let's see if I went for a 1-to-5 with that I've hit. Because I kind of want to start doing that. Just go for 1-to-5 instead of a 1-to-1. 1-to-1s are cool though. Hell yeah. Boom, 1-to-5 hit. Alright, second trade, bang. Two W's for the week so far. 2 out of 2. It's like for Wednesday. Okay. Damn, my fucking neck is killing me. Let's actually play some music now. Some calm though. Give you before I to let you know. He loved you sometime, he was conflicted. See it in your eyes, how you still attached. Stepping over pieces, broken hearts on the floor. Cut my skin, trying to make you whole again. Waiting for your love, yes I am. Let me know why'd you keep the ring. Fool me, what am I supposed to think? You going slow, but you feed your fence. Alright. Let's look. Just give you guys a little analysis of basically what I'm just looking at so far. So coming into this, what is this, Wednesday, we do look very bearish. Very, very bearish, obviously. We're just going down. We do have all-time highs, you know. Why wouldn't we want to log? things that I'm looking at right now, this 1 hour gap has been getting respected a shit ton. So this could be like a key level that I like right now. Just because like if you can see all these wicks, we've just been respecting the fuck out of this fair value gap. So if we can do it once again, that would be nice. We also have this 1 hour gap below us as well. That also has an internal low within it. We just draw that out as well, just to be aware of it. I don't think it's going to be anything of significance either, but I do want to go long. But if I was to go short, the ideal would just be boom, come into this high, boom, go like that. Okay, shorts, we'd want to go down first, maybe respect this, tap into this, maybe come over here, boom, go higher. Right, see what the 15 minute is looking like. Have what, 2 more candles to print out? 1, 2. Okay, so let's see what we are looking at. Let me look at ES first. Okay. Nothing really crazy. I mean, we took out the low on NASDAQ. We haven't taken out Asia's. Oh yeah, we did take out the low. Okay. I know we haven't took out Asia's though on NASDAQ, but pretty sure we are. Those are damn near fucking equals. I'm pretty sure if I turn this off, those are be equal lows, right? Yeah, equal lows and equal highs. Oh shit. Alright. So 15 minutes, what do I see on a 15 minute? Nothing really above us. Below us, we have this is also a 15 minute gap, pretty cool. 15 minute gap right here, 15 minute gap right there. So boom, if we want to go higher, we want price to come up here, take out this high, boom, inverse down. We want price to go up, we want a price to, we'll see what we do out of this 15 minute, because we are now within it. If we can go low and take out these lows, awesome. But if we get an SMT, maybe we can still long out of there if we don't take it out, but obviously we go down lower, even better. But let's just see what we have. Good accumulation market open. Oh, we instantly dumped down lower. That awesome. Let's see what we do now. Take out this low. No reason not to. Boom. Low taken out. Okay, we're kind of taking forever to inverse this gap. Maybe continuation shorts if that's the move. We'll see what we get. That would have to be like an inversion out of this. If we get that 3 minute gap, then it'll be at that 3 minute gap. If not, I mean, I don't really want to fucking go short right here anyways. What are we getting? 3 minute gap right there that we are respecting. What time is this? 6:45. What time do we open up this 5 minute? Yeah, see, we didn't even inverse that. We'll go back to the one, see what's happening on here. Okay. We inverse the 1, inverse the 2, inverse the 3. Is there a 5? Oof, I'm not gonna lie, this is it right here. What the fuck? This is definitely this is definitely the one. Damn, where do I want to put my stop? Do I want to put it at this low, or do I want to put it at this low? Fuck it, we'll just go for that low, and we'll just target these highs right here, just for a quick 1-on-1. No, I feel like this high is definitely valid. What is my RR on this? 1.8. Fuck that. I'm gonna just do the fucking candle. Candles to close. Alright. We're gonna go long right here. Market buy. Stop loss. We're gonna be risking around $1,400 to make around 15, 16, 18, 19, 2K. Okay. Good. So the reason why I am taking this, right? Let's see if ES did anything. Take out this low, the low that I take out. Damn, we just left relatively equal lows here though. That's something that I would definitely be looking at, just because I'm like, fuck, bro, there's no way we're not gonna take out this low and just go higher. But Fuck it, we already took it. Tuesday 13, Tuesday 13 o'clock. Yeah, that shit being got taken out. Anyways, probably have more SMTs down here anyways. But okay, so boom, we swept some liquidity. We tap into this 1 hour gap, right? We created a beautiful 5 minute gap right here. And so if I was looking for shorts to continue out of, I would have to have closed below this 3 minute and then go down from there. That would have been more so continuation shorts. But this just looks like a really good long entry, right? The reason why is because obviously, like I said, like we want to be longing. We just want to be longing all-time highs, right? And so what do we have to begin with? We have this beautiful LR right here. All of this low trend liquidity to target right here. We have this high right here. That's within a 4 hour gap right there. And then we just have all-time highs resting right above us. So maybe you can hold this to the end of the day, see how that plays out. But I'm only going to go for a 1 to 5 right here. We'll see what happens. And then we're going to go break even at this high right here. Boom, break even right there. Ha, I got stopped out. Fuck. That's crazy. And then it ran to my fucking TP, bro. Are you shitting me? Are you fucking me right now? Hold on, let's see what happened right here. It was 23 o'clock. This shit never got taken out on here either. Bro, what the fuck is that bullshit? I'm counting that as a dub, bro. What the fuck is that? That's a dub. What the fuck? As soon as I'm seeing this rejection live in time, bro, I'm seeing price dumb down from here. I'm taking out my shit. I'm like, fuck that. Let me just get what I can take just in case price comes back. It's just, I don't know. It's just something. Me personally, I would, like, if I was to start seeing rejection, I'm not gonna just lose out on like $1,500 just to make out the little leftover $300 or whatever, you know. You know what I mean? Oh, fuck. But okay. Third win, 3 for 3. Damn. Okay. All-time highs right here. We have good low trend liquidity below us. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is a lot of good low trend liquidity. Like just all of this in general. Good low trend liquidity, but this more so. SMT at the highs. We'll see what that looks like. Like what that wants to do. Maybe like, you know, get something. Maybe we get some shorts out of here. Ooh, okay. Shorts low-key look pretty good right now. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. The reason why all-time highs got swept on NASDAQ. We did it on ES, SMT at the highs. What do we get right after that? We get a 1 hour inversion right here. We can also inverse this 1 hour right here, and then we just continuously are just dumping down. Now we have this high that's, I want to say there's probably going to be a 15-minute right here, but we have this high. We have this 1 hour right here. should add the CE of this as well. Do black. I wonder what names popped up right there. Let's see what happens if I search up B. Banquet B. Alright. This is gonna be a 1 hour count, 1 hour for value gap. Now what do we have below us? We have a 1 hour gap right here. Value gap. That's really it. We do have this 1 hour gap right here that's within this low, so it could probably be like a place where we can bounce out of. Okay, down to the 15. Oh wait, I finished with the 1 hour. Oh shit, took all that high. I'm not even looking at news. Wednesday, FOMC, 11 a.m. Okay, so now we are looking pretty bullish now, right? Price has just been pumping at this point. Oh, fucking footages. Alright, price has just been pumping. Let's see what ES is doing. Not has taken out. Nothing hasn't taken out that high yet. Or actually, I mean, maybe it kind of, yeah, it did, but just we haven't taken out all-time highs. So, yeah. I don't know if that could, I mean, that, I guess that counts as an SMT, but it's not like the highest high. But, so, now looking at this, we already took out this high right here. We still have this 1 hour gap below us. We also have this little tiny one right here, but I'm gonna go look at the 15 and see what the 15 minutes looking like. We have FOMC at 11 a.m., something to be cautious of. But okay, looking at this, we have a 15-minute gap right here. It's also we also have a low that's right there. So if we can take out that low in this 15-minute, would be pretty cool. I mean, I don't think this is gonna really matter much though. Honestly, we also have this low right here. 15-minute got inversed. We have this 15-minute down here as well. If you don't know, 15 minutes are really good like places that price likes to react out of. So that's why they're always like break-even points or just places of like significance for me. 15-minute, okay. Let's just see what market wants to do. Okay, we already come down, take out that 15-minute gap. We can see we can get an inversion out of here. No, we are just straight dumping. Maybe something out of here. No, okay. What time is this? 6:42. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we have this 5-minute gap right here. And so when it comes to retracements, or not retracements, continuations, because I mean right now, if I was to take a long out of here, it would have to be a closure out of this 5-minute, right? That's not really something that I'm going to be looking for. So more so, what I'm going to be paying attention to is continuations to the downside, right? So we have this 5-minute on ES, we have this 5-minute on NASDAQ. So we are going to see what we want to do out of here. If we can create, if we can take out this high, amazing. Oof, okay, hold on. So we didn't take out the high, but we did get a really good inversion to the downside. And ES took out the 5-minute. So boom. Now we have an SMT with this 5-minute gap right here. Right? And then SMTs work the same way when it comes to fair value gaps, same thing with highs and lows. So this is beautiful for me, I'm not gonna lie. The reason, like, let me just give the explanation for this, right? If I was to take a long out of here, it would definitely have to be more lower down here, and then like I wouldn't be able to take a long out of this 5-minute, out of anything out of here, purely because we have this 5-minute, this big ass 5-minute right here that's just pushing us back down. So if I would need to long, it would have to be more so down here with more structure that's built from this leg going down, I would guess. That's like the only way I would go long here. But a short coming into this looks really good, really, because like I said, like if we're looking for continuations, what we want is a continuation out of a 5-minute or a 15-minute. I prefer a 15-minute, but 5 minutes are just as good. And then so boom, we want NQ to tap into this 5-minute. It doesn't. ES does. right? And what did we do with Nasdaq right after that? We create a beautiful inverse fair value gap out of this gap right here. Let's see if it's the highest time frame one. Oh, we have a 2 minute. Fuck. Okay, well I guess we have to wait for the 2 minute to close. 2 minute doesn't close. 2 minute doesn't close. Boom, 2 minute closes. So, I mean, you roughly would have got not the same entry. You would have got a way better entry on the 1 minute, but you know we want to be mechanical with our entries, not discretional right now. Damn, big ass fucking stop loss, big ass 90-point stop loss. That's a fucking huge ass move. And we'll just target this low right here. That's not even a 1-to-1, is it? No, it's not. Fuck. Okay. I mean, this low all the way down here looks really good as well, but we'll just target this low. So we'll just target a 1-to-1, just like right here. So we'll go short 1. Stop loss at this high. So these are minis. I don't trade minis. I trade micros. So this is just way like more than what I would do. But fuck, imagine I hit this first entry, dude. Fucking amazing. We're not gonna go break even, or hold on. Was I supposed to go break even there? No. Did the ES take that out? No. Thursday 220. That's not what I'm targeting. Okay, well price came back up. Not going to break even yet. I'll go break even if we hit this low right here. Okay, we took out that low. Now stops are going back to break even. Did I not place anything? Firm. Oh shit. Bro, I barely got stopped out. I barely, like, oh my god. That shit barely worked. Is this price go down to this low as well? No, it doesn't. Holy fuck. Banger trade, bro. Banger 1-to-1. That's fucking beautiful right there. Caught literally the end of it. Amazing. Alright. 4 wins. 4 for 4 right now. Let's keep it going. Now, I do want to say I did trade this week, but like, obviously I'm not going to fucking remember the setups that were happening. And this week wasn't even good for me. Like, I did really bad this week. So now that I'm backtesting it and I'm seeing that these setups are just fucking simple, it's crazy. Because I had a doo-doo week. Like, I'm down on a fucking week already. Or from last week I'm down, I want to say. Friday. Hey. Yeah, PMI 7 a.m. It's a 4-hour. Last one before I get off. I got work tomorrow morning. Last one? Yeah. Okay. What are we doing? We have all-time highs right above us. Low ass 4-hour gap, bro. Are we really gonna reject out of this? There's something really else on the 4-hour from below us. Yeah, no all-time highs either. Shit. Okay. We do have a lot of good lows right here below us that we can target if we were going short, but I don't think we're gonna go short. Look at this big ass fucking gap that could push us higher. One more. Yeah. Okay, so we tap into that 1-hour gap. We just have a good amount of lows below us now. James? I'm backtesting. What are you doing? Do I want to hang out? Do what? And after? Who are you with? I, no, I don't. I don't, James. I don't. I don't. I don't. Um, I don't have my ID, bro. I lost my ID. I, nigga, I'm telling you, I haven't been able to find my wallet in like 2 weeks, bro. Nigga, I lost my ID, bro. Yeah, dog, I'm sorry. I don't have a passport. No, I'm sorry, bro. Yeah, I lost my ID like 2 weeks ago, dog. You've never went with. What are you talking about? The last time you didn't go. Okay, but I don't have an ID. I don't know what you want me to do. James, what am I? I don't think so, no. I've looked at my car, bro. I've looked in all my pants. I go check my car again right now, but I'm gonna cut this stream short, bro. I'm gonna go look for you.